title, I have been encouraged to. Honorable Faith Wathome Kidu. And I'm the chairperson of the Kenya Association of Women in Tourism. And the Minister for Tourism, Culture and Sports in the government of Chicago. I wish to welcome all of you, especially potential members, to this forum. Kenya Association of Women in Tourism is a forum that gives women in tourism a platform for purposes of advocacy and participation in the tourism industry. When we started in 2010 because we wanted to be in tandem with the Constitution. Because as you know, the Constitution mandates that a third of any policy-making body must be of a different gender. So we know that women, are the ones that are usually left out in most forums, because we know that the tourism industry is key to the economy in Kenya. And we needed to be ready. So when these bodies are being formed, we wanted to be there, and they don't give the usual excuse that they gave before, which they used to say in tourism, where are the women? And I'm glad we have a lot of strong women today here. We have managing directors. Everybody will be able to introduce yourselves, because we're not many of us. I'll give a chance for everybody to introduce themselves. So that is why we decided to form the Kenya Association of Women in Tourism. We were small, but we've grown in bounds and leaps. We have done things that we ourselves never imagined we would do. Our ladies have gone to places where we never imagined would go in this country. We sit on roundtable forums with His Excellency Uhuru Kenyatta. We never thought we would do that. We sit in key tourism-making bodies, just by the virtue that we belong to the association. So for us, it's a long way to go. Because nowadays, when you go for an interview, you're always asked, are you a member of a professional body? And when you write Kenya Association of Women in Tourism, if anybody Googles Kenya Association of Women in Tourism, we have a very good CV. We have a very good CV. We sit on Women in Tourism International Alliance. We sit for Africa. The marketing director is from here, Jane Adam. There she is. She sits on the board of Women in Tourism International Alliance. We are members of KEPSA. I know this is going to be shown in the presentation, but I have the bragging rights. We're members of WITIA, we're members of KEPSA, we're members of FEWA, we're members of Ecotourism. Thank you very much.
Liaison Committee Italy.
There you are. They know because they say that. Yeah. We also
Tourism Authority. No, Tourism Professional Authority.
Tourism Professional Authority has been formed. They actually wrote to us and asked us to be the steering committee, which Priscilla sits on.
Yes.
And we are also members of World Federation of Tourist Guides Association, which is a member of UNWTO. So we have done things, big things, and that we need to do because we've done a lot. So I know I'm going, MC Nyangia, I'm going to divert a little bit from the program and give everybody a chance to introduce themselves, because this is a networking forum. Sophie?
Good evening, great ladies. Good evening. I'm really humbled to be part of these great women, and I can see some men. I'm Sophie Njage. I joined this organization 5 years ago when it was starting up. That time I was in Kenya Airways. I'm actually a human resource practitioner, currently working as a consultant. Nice to see all of you. And a member of WITIA. Yeah.
Good evening, everybody. Good evening. My name is Margaret Maingi. I heard about this association first from Kathy Bashir over there.
Hello.
Hi. But Sophie also really appreciate that she did that. The general manager of Jacaranda Nairobi Hotel.
Good evening, beautiful and fabulous ladies.
Good evening.
We're called Mama Wanguvu.
And for so many years we were called it's a chama. We are not, we are a professional body. My name is Maimuna Mohammed. I do corporate sales for Heritage Hotels. And I'm glad to see new faces here. I am happy to see my, should I say my mentors or my big sisters in this industry that will always run to, a few of them. That is Lucy McCready's, Jen, Faith herself. That one also, I recruited her, she's now my another big sister. Anyway, it's glad to see you guys here. Thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
Good evening.
My name is Sophie Onyango. I'm very happy to be here today and I'm pleased to be around very strong women in the tourism. I'm a member of KWT for 2 years now, and I'm the National Vice Chairperson of the Mentoring and Training Committee. Yes, and I work for British Airways. Thank you.
Good evening. How are you? I'm Regina Kiremi. I'm glad that I made it to be here and actually given an apology because I didn't know. Good to see all of you once again this year. Last year we had a wonderful party and that time I was big. The girl came and she's happy 9 months now. So you can take as many photos. But it's good to meet all of you. Thank you. I mean, this organization has even helped us support a lot in the industry, and we work for Fortin Safaris.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening. My name is Joyce Kenji. I was keeper at Eka Hotel, and also a member of the mentoring and training committee. So with me, I was able to come with a friend who was much eager to come and join us. So at least I'm happy we have a new kid in the house. So since I noted that most people from housekeeping do not know about this, but I'm spreading the word around, and they're so happy about it. So with me today is Peggy, and she came all the way from Nakuru. So let her say our trust.
Okay, thank you so much. I'm sorry I'm not cold. Forgive me for that. My name is Peggy Chubets. I work with the Mount Kenya University, Nakuru campus. And I'm gladly to join you here. I was invited by Joyce. Joyce was my college mate at Kenya Utalii College, housekeeping department. And I'm so happy to join you here. Thank you.
Oh,
Good evening, everybody. My name is Wilkie Ominde, and I'm happy to be here. A prospective at the Kenya Utalii College graduation. When Madam there was speaking, and I got pulled and said that is where I should be. And I went to them, and I'm grateful they remembered it and invited me. So I look forward to joining you. They are all happy faces, and I'm feeling like I've missed out a lot, but I think better late than never. So I'm happy to be here today. Will Kominde, I work for Ashmeal Hotels.
Good evening. I'm Lucy McCready. My committee members are here. I'm the chair lady of Mentorship and Training Committee for COUNT, and you can already hear from the introductions. So you're going to add your name on the list. Thank you so much for coming. This is a great place to be and a great opportunity for us as ladies to be able to make a change in the face of tourism. So much as we enjoy ourselves also, we need to remember that we are going to be that particular pool of talented women. So karibuni all the new members. I hope you do sign up. You'll get number. Go as far as Ritia also, right? Asanteni.
Good evening. Good evening. My name is Rosalind Kisharu. I'm a lecturer, and I also work for the Association of Hospitality and Tourism Schools in Africa.
Hatsa. Yes, that's it.
We sponsored them some time ago.
Don't say our secrets. But I heard about Kawa from Faith and from Kathy, and I finally have decided to join. It's a pleasure to meet this lovely women.
Excellent. Karibu sana. No,
Thank you. Okay, good evening, ladies. Good evening. My name is Anne Tangai, manager at Fairmont Norfolk.
Wow, nice.
I have been brought here by this lovely lady.
Yay.
So I have a potential.
Fantastic.
Happy to hear about the committee of mentorship. I'll be with you. Yes, so I'm happy to be here. And they say that, you know, a finger alone is very weak, but a fist is strong. Yeah, so I'm happy to be with strong women in the tourism industry.
Excellent.
Good evening, ladies.
Evening.
My name is Juliana Chalo. I work in Kenya Utalii College. I'm a lecturer. Last week, me and the chair were elected into the Alumni Association of Utalii. Yeah. Okay, so she is the vice chair. I am vice treasurer. Yes, last week. And I brought in potential members, and I'm very happy. I'm also a member of the training and mentorship committee.
Good evening, beautiful ladies.
Good evening.
My name is Elizabeth Aduda. I joined last year, and the pleasure is all mine to meet you all ladies. I've been dying to meet you, especially when I saw Kate taking selfies with the president. I was like, where was I? So I'm so humbled to be with you. At the moment, I'm at the Fairmont Norfolk. I brought a friend with me. I told her about court, and I'm like, you have to be here. You have to meet these women. I'm very glad. And I also feel we are young professionals coming up. Take us like the mother hen. I take court like the mother hen, so that we can also be mentored and be where you are at the moment. Thank you. Thank you.
Good evening to you all.
Good evening.
My name is Beatrice Onyango. I work at Utalii College. I'm an alumni of Utalii. I'm interested in mentoring leaders. Yeah. So when Juliana told me about mentoring, I was quite interested in So thank you.
Good evening, people.
Good evening.
My name is Patricia Njeri.
Yes.
I'm a director at Kwetu Beach, Mombasa. I am also a regional Kwetu Beach.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm also a regional chairperson of Perak. Perak
Restaurant of Entertainment Association of Kenya.
I've had an opportunity to interact with Faith and Nyandia, and I can assure you they're doing a good job in recruiting and marketing the association. Well done. Asante.
You need to tell us what to do. We need you. Yeah, join immediately. She's joining immediately.
Good evening, ladies.
Good evening.
My name is Lilian Kalela. I'm the Chief Executive Officer of Pubs, Entertainment, Restaurants. Pera. Yes, we are the women who sell fun. I'm glad to be here, and I told I'll join. So I'm going to join, and I want to apologize. I had a prior appointment that I can't move, so I decided to come still. And somebody somewhere is waiting for me, very furious, but I said I couldn't go for that appointment without coming here. Yes. So next time I'll be here to the end. Thank you. But my chair lady is going to represent